launching the raft. There's the dam.
I can tighten you up once it's on.
Okay.
The water is so cold.
Is it cold?
It's freezing.
Oh, that is cold.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure to get you in there.
That's frigid.
Nice paddles. Is that all of them? Sith or Jedi?
Sith.
Okay, good.
Definitely.
Strike him down.
Oh, Jedi, come.
This water is nice and warm. It's balmy. It's like a hot spring.
Oh yeah, exactly like a hot spring.
Section A goes between the spillway at the bottom of the Flaming Gorge Dam and the boat ramp called Little Hole. It's a pretty quick drive to shuttle vehicles back and forth, and there's a few notable rapids, including the Mother-in-Law Rapid.
I think you nosedived. You guys are really gonna need passion.
You're gonna star in this video a lot, Joel.
That's
right.
Try to pretend I'm having fun.
Exactly.
You guys see that V right there? This is a real simple example, and it doesn't.
Yeah, you can see the
It
water.
won't be a problem if we don't hit it, but we really can go right through the middle there. It's in the middle of the river. Oh yeah, I see it. Kind of straight ahead right now.
The lightning is super far away, but it's so loud, especially in a canyon like this.
Well, okay, so we timed it perfect to like. We waited till the clear sunshine was over.
Yeah.
As soon as it started thunder and lightning, we hopped in. There's a good jumping rock up there.
There's a jump. Dude, it's awesome. Is your hair like hydrophobic, bro?
For chance. I know. I got some stuff at the heavenly.
There was sunshine at least one moment.
Yeah. The problem, one of the problems they have this year is that the reservoir is already full, and so they have to let everything go.
Just as if those exist in rivers.
Oh, those are beds. I just saw rocks swimming. There we go.
That raft over there is struggling a little bit.
Look at that. Oh, crooked.
Are we gonna try and avoid that, or?
Like Ransom was saying.
Yeah, that's a rock right underneath the surface.
That's a rock.
Take an extra person. Oh, okay. All right.
If we paddle hard enough, we can take out those fishermen.
Do it.
I think we can get their boat.
It'd be fun if they're pulling a fish and we just grab it right off the. Yeah. Nice. Oh wow. Guys, we gotta say. Look at that sliding rock. That could be fun. Look, when it's raining, that'd be a good sliding rock. I don't know, but the rock there's only one way to do this. Keep going. Right. As we get closer into it, paddle through it a little bit. Like, keep paddling through the whitewater a little bit. We don't have to paddle the whole way, but as we get into it. Yeah, baby. Woo! Oh, that got cold. Should we go between those two rocks up there?
That's a good idea, Joel. It's a really good idea.
It'd be sweet if there's a waterfall there too as we go through.
Yeah,
Pretty sure we're going to want to be on the right hand side. You know what kind of song that's about?
good thing.
Don't paddle for a second. Stop. Let them get ahead of us. All right, now paddle. Harder, harder. Oh, paddle, paddle. Whee!
Oh,
That was was awesome.
We made it.
The water splashing off the rock kind of pushed us away.
It did a little bit.
Luckily, go harder. Because we're kind of stuck in an eddy right here, so let's go hard and hard.
Head right down the V, right?
Yep. Like this. Oh yeah, look at this drop.
That's a pretty impressive drop.
Yeah, right into it. That's perfect. That is money. You guys rocked. Oh yeah.
This is both of them. You hook your paddle. It's harder to get out of like in between one because it's like going back, but it's not like so strong. It's gonna go so
Close to
yeah,
him.
we do
I think we're lining up good. We'll paddle last second just to get them ahead of us a little bit more.
now.
Is this the last second? Go. Yeah, baby. Right here, we'll turn. Woohoo! That was perfect.
That was perfect. Woo! That's cool.
You guys are killing it.
Whoa! Oh, so cool!
Suck it up!
Have you got your feet hooked in?
Keep paddling!
Thanks for the reminder. That's what I needed.
I was kind of looking at you when I said it.
I'm sliding back and forth.
Can I just like swim up there and pull at him?
I think we want to hit the fun stuff, right? That's what we came for.
Right.
Paddle a bit, get around that rock. Faster. Faster. Luckily it's deep.
Went right over the center of it.
Yeah, sideways. Right through the middle. Oh yeah, baby.
Better avoid that rock. Which way here, left or right?
Let's go left.
I can go left as well.
Hit it, boys. Harder, harder, harder. Really hard.
Really
dig,
hard.
Dig hard. Dig, 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 dig. Wow, nice. We done it, I think. For a minute it looked iffy.
Oh, Kevin.
The water always splashes the person who wasn't paddling hard. Or whoever's in front. Andrew, how deep was it by that rock?
That rock that was right over there?
Yeah, we just went around.
We would have gone over it.
Yeah. Paddle hard.
Paddle, there's a rock.
Stop. Oh, woohoo! I changed my mind last second, said we're going to the left of that.
I stopped paddling. I was like, we were going left, and there's nothing we could do.
I just started steering real hard. I thought we were going the other way, and I'm like, nope. But we made it, you guys. We made it.
Don't stop.
There's something straight ahead. I'm not sure what.
Did they go through that or to the right?
They went through it. I think
Left a little bit.
left a little bit.
Yep, if we're going to go through it, we got to do this one.
Paddle.
Woohoo! Turn right. You guys rock!
I think we hit that just about right.
Yeah, that was perfect. That was way better than trying that slow part on the right. You guys, we're doing it. So what are you saying, Andrew? Flaming Gorge, oh, 5 miles down. Little hole, only 2 more miles. We're like, what is that? 5/7 of the way. Yeah. And if it was a metric system, we could say it was 5/7.
Well, we're about to go right over. Okay.
They like slid down that rock. Yeah, if they were new, they probably would be real for it. Right here. Probably good right here. Yeah, baby.
The moisture's real.
Is it cold? That makes a difference.
True.
Paddle. Nice job.
Nice beer.
Yeah, let's just get to it. Let's just get to
Yeah, I agree, since we're right there.
How long have we been on the river? This doesn't make sense.
That's it.
Look out up there.
But yeah, that's the overlook.
Easy. This slow?
Have we really only been paddling for an hour? Well, yeah, but...
Yeah, we have enough cars for
That's why
everybody.
you guys took so long, is because you're driving them all down here.
Yeah.
I thought you were just driving them up to the parking lot, and I was like, why are you guys taking 1,000 years?
You guys are the slowest ever.
Yes. I was like, you should be back here in like 3 minutes. Why is this? Like, you know this is where you park the car?
Uh-huh.
That's crazy. We've only been out here for like an hour.
I know, it's been really fast.
You guys, I kept telling you, stop paddling so much.
Okay, now everyone paddle.
No, that would make sense. We want to get...
Jeez, watch where you're going.
No lunch for you guys.
Perfect. Alright, turn. The assist. Turn. Oh, the stiffness is fantastic.